Hi, everybody. This book is called I Will Try. It is written by Lori Wright and illustrated by Anna Santos. This is a nice little story about a girl who solves her own little problems just by trying. My name is Renee, and I will always try. I will not go to the dentist. I don't know what will happen there, and it makes me feel anxious. Mom says my teeth really need a cleaning and that there's a TV on the ceiling. I do need to take care of my teeth. Okay, I will try. I will not eat that food. I don't know if I'll like it, and it makes me feel stressed. Dad said it's pumpkin pie and that I can have ice cream with it. I do like most desserts. I guess I will try. I will not say hello to someone I don't know. I don't know that person and it makes me feel shy. I know that people don't bite and that I can say hello with a wave instead of talking if I want to. I do like making new friends. I will try. I will not go down the slide. I don't know if I'll fall off, which makes me feel scared. My teacher says it's actually fun and that she'll catch me at the bottom. I do like fun things. Okay, I will try. I will not put on those new shoes. I don't know how they'll fit, which makes me feel hesitant. They light up and they're purple and blue. I do want to run really fast. Okay, I will try. I will not get a haircut. I don't know how the salon will be like, which makes me feel apprehensive. Oh, my hair is hard to comb and the hairdresser is nice. I do need a trim. I guess I will try. I will not zipper my jacket. I don't know how to do it, which makes me feel frustrated. Everyone is waiting for me, and I can do some tricky things now. I do need to get going. Okay, I will try. I will not go skateboarding. I don't know if I can do it, which makes me feel nervous. My brother is making it look really fun, and he didn't know if he could do it. I do like fun things, so I think I will try. I will not let Mom wash hair. I don't know what'll happen when water gets in my eyes, which makes me feel panicked. My mom says it really needs washing and my head is pretty itchy. I do need to be clean. Okay, I will try. And look how she solves that problem with some goggles. I will not put on these pants. I don't know if I can run and jump in them, which makes me feel upset. We have to go out soon and I'll probably be cold without pants on. I do need to wear something. I guess I will try. I will not jump in that pool. I don't know what will happen when I jump in, which makes me feel uneasy. The other kids say it's fun, and the teacher is playing a fun game. I do like fun games. Okay, I guess I will try. I will not go somewhere new. I don't know what will happen when I get there, which makes me feel worried. Mom says it'll be fun and I have to go. I do need to listen to my mom, so I will try. Sometimes I don't know what new places, people, or things will be like, which can make me feel anxious, stressed, shy, scared, hesitant, apprehensive, frustrated, nervous, panicked, upset, uneasy, or worried. But I do know that I will try. And hopefully you will try too.